Hey everyone, I'm Rakesh and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into a beautiful concept, the Law of Divine Oneness. This law proposes that everything in existence, from the tiniest atom to the vast universe, is interconnected through a single source of energy. What is the Law of Divine Oneness? Imagine the universe as a giant tapestry. Every thread, every color, weaves together to form this magnificent creation. The Law of Divine Oneness tells us that each thread, each being, is a part of the same divine fabric. We might appear separate, but we are all ultimately woven from the same energy source. The Law of Divine Oneness teaches us that everything in the universe is connected. From the tiniest microorganism to the largest galaxy, we are all one. This interconnectedness reminds us that our thoughts, actions, and energy have a ripple effect that extends far beyond what we can see. Why is this law important? Understanding this interconnectedness has profound implications. It fosters feelings of compassion, reminding us that hurting another is like hurting ourselves. It cultivates a sense of belonging, knowing we are part of something much grander. When we embrace the Law of Divine Oneness, we understand that we are not separate from each other or the world around us. We are all part of the same cosmic fabric, each thread essential to the whole. This realization brings a sense of unity, compassion, and peace. By living in alignment with this universal law, we can cultivate empathy, understanding, and harmony in our relationships and communities. When we acknowledge our interconnectedness, we tap into a source of boundless love and infinite potential. Examples of oneness in action. Think about those moments of deep connection you've felt with someone, or the profound peace you experience in nature. These are glimpses of oneness, a sense of unity beyond our physical selves. How to live the Law of Divine Oneness? Here are some ways to integrate this law into your life. Practice gratitude. Appreciate the interconnectedness that brings you everything you have. Spread kindness. When you uplift others, you uplift yourself and contribute to a more positive collective energy. Embrace empathy. See the world through others' eyes. Their struggles and joys are part of the tapestry too. The Law of Divine Oneness is a powerful reminder of our inherent connection. By embracing this truth, we can cultivate a more compassionate and harmonious world. Remember, we are all part of something beautiful and extraordinary. Let me know in the comments below how you experience oneness in your life. Share your stories and inspire others. Subscribe for more uplifting content. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button.